In this lecture, we will discuss extra questions of pair of linear equation. This question based on boat and stream. So, there is a question: a boat covers 32 km upstream and 36 km downstream in 7 hours. Also, it covers 40 km upstream and 48 km downstream in 9 hours. So, find the speed of boat in still water and that of the stream. So, first, let the speed of boat in a still water is equals to u kilometer per hour. Then speed of a stream is equals to v kilometer per hour. Now, speed upstream, it means it opposes the boat, opposes the stream. So, we have to find the difference u minus v. It means total velocity or speed is equals to u minus v kilometer per hour. On the other hand, speed in downstream will be the addition. So, u plus v kilometer per hour. Now, time taken to cover 32 km upstream. We know that time is equals to distance upon speed. So, speed in upstream. So, here we have to write 32 upon u minus v hours. Okay. Now, time taken to cover 36 km downstream. So, it will be 36 upon u plus v. It will be u plus v. Okay. Then here total time is equals to 7 hours. So, we have to write 32 upon u minus v plus 36 upon u plus v is equals to 7. This is the first equation. Now, for the second equation, it says time taken to cover 40 km upstream is equals to 40 upon u minus v hours. Then time taken to cover 48 km downstream is equals to 48 upon u plus v hours. Total time is equals to 9 hours. So, we have to add these two, which is equals to 9 hours. So, this is the second equation. Now, we have to solve. So, we know that we have to assume 1 upon u minus v is equals to x and 1 upon u plus v is equals to y. Now, we just put these values in this equation. So, final equation will be this. Now, we have to solve this equation by cross multiplication. So, what we have to do, we just write x, then hide the coefficient of x. So, coefficient of y and constant values are remaining. So, cross multiply these values. So, minus 9 into 36, then minus sign, then minus 7 into 48. Similarly, we have to write y with minus sign upon hide the coefficient of y value, then coefficient of x and constant are remaining. So, we have to cross multiply these values. So, minus 9 into 32, then minus sign in bracket minus 7 into 40. Okay, is equals to, then the constant is 1 upon, just hide the constant value, then coefficient of x and y are remaining. Then we have to cross multiply these values. So, 48 into 32, this is minus sign 36 into 40. Now, we have to solve. So, x is equals to 1 upon 8 and y is equals to 1 upon 12. Now, we have to put the value of x and y. So, x is 1 upon u minus v. Then y is equals to 1 upon u plus v. Now, final equation will be u minus v is equals to 8 and u plus v is equals to 12. Now, first we have to add this equation 3 and equation 4. So, value of u will be 10. When we subtract it, so value of v is equals to 2. So, v is what? Speed of a stream, and u speed of the boat is still water. So, it is 10 km per hour, then it will be 2 km per hour. Now move on the second question. Second question is, a boat can travel with a speed of 13 km per hour in still water. It means U is given 13 km per hour. If the speed of the stream is 4 km per hour, so V is equals to 4 km per hour. It is given. Now find the time taken by the boat to go 68 km downstream. Downstream, it means we have to add these two. So downstream is equals to U plus V. So U plus V is equals to what? 13 plus 4. So that is 17 km per hour. That is U plus V. Stream in downstream. Speed downstream. Okay. Now we have to find the time. So time is equals to distance upon speed. Okay. So speed is what? Speed in downstream. So 68 upon 17 hours. That is 4 hours. Okay. Now move on the next question. So it will be third question. A man's speed with the current is 15 km/h. Okay. So man's speed, that is we also consider as boat stream. Okay. Speed of boat. So it will be considered U is equals to 15 km/h, and the speed of the current, that is stream, its speed is 2.5 km/h. Now the man's speed against the current, it means we have to find the upstream value. So we have to subtract these. Okay. So what is the given value? A man's speed with the current. Okay. So U plus V is given 15 km/h, and the speed of current is equals to 2.5 km. So the man, so first we have to find the speed of man. So here U is equals to 15 minus 2.5. Okay. So it will be 12.5 km/h. Now man's rate against the current, it means we have to find U minus V. Okay. So it will be U is what? 12.5 minus V is what? 2.5 km/h. Okay. Next question. A motorboat whose speed is 15 km/h in still water goes 30 km downstream and comes back in a total of 4 hours 30 minutes. The speed of the stream is. So what is the given value? Let speed of the stream is equals to speed of a stream is equals to x km/h. Okay. So speed downstream is equals to 15 plus xr km/h. Then upstream is equals to 15 minus x km/h. Okay. Or you can say it V. Okay. Now total time is 4 hour 30 minute. So 4 hour 30 minute, it means 4 hour, it convert into hour, so divided by 60, that is 4 1/2. And same distance is what? 30 km. So 30 km divided by speed of downstream, that is 15 plus x. Then we have to add both this time. So 30 upon 15 plus x hours, then it will be same distance, 15 upon 15, 30 upon 15 minus x is equals to 4, 1 by 2, that is 9 by 2. So here it will be 30 is common. Now take LCM, so it becomes 15 and 15, 225 minus x square. Now here it will be 15 minus x, then plus 15 plus x. Okay, so x and x will be cancelled. Then 15 plus 15, 30, and 30 into 30, 900. Okay, 225 minus x square is equals to 9 upon 2. So it will be 100. Then cross multiplication. So 225 minus x square is equals to 200. Now it will be transferred. So x square is equals to 25. Now x is equals to plus minus 5. Now speed never in negative, so we have to consider 5. It means x is equals to positive 5. So speed of a stream is equals to 5 km per hour. Now move on the next question. So the question says 8 men and 12 boys can finish a piece of work in 10 days, while 6 men and 8 boys can finish it in 14 days. Find the time taken by one man alone and that by one boy alone to finish the work. So there is a shortcut method to solve this type of question. Here given a piece of work in 10 days. So first we have to find what is the total work. Okay, so let's suppose we have to make cups. Okay, so we have to find LCM of 10 and 14, that is number of days. Okay, so LCM of 10 and 14 becomes 70. Okay, so let's say suppose this is the total work we have to finish. Okay, so let us take, we have to make 70 cups. We have to make 70 cups. Okay, now again I repeat the question. 8 men and 12 boys can finish a piece of work in 10 days. It means 8 men plus 12 boys, how many cups make in 10 days? So 70 cups divided by 10 days, it means 7 cups. Similarly, in 14 days, 6 men and 8 boy together, how many cup make? So it will be 70 cups divided by 14 days. Okay, so it means in one day they have make 5 cups. Okay, now we have to put these values here. It means in one day 8 men and 12 boys makes 7 cups and 6 men and 8 boy make 5 cups in a day. So these two equations now we have to solve. So it will be very easy to solve by cross multiplication method. So it will be 8 men plus 12 boy minus 7. Third equation, 6 men plus 8 boy minus 5. This is the fourth equation. Now what is the cross multiplication method? We have to write m here, then hide this, then multiply. So 12 5s are Yes, 60. This is minus 60. Then minus sign and minus here. So minus and minus becomes plus. So 8 sevens are 56. Okay. So then minus b divided by, I have to hide this, 8 5s are 40. This is minus 40. Then minus and minus becomes plus. So 6 7s are 42 is equals to constant value. 8 8s are 64 minus, that will be 72. Okay. Then we have to solve. So it becomes m upon minus 4 is equals to minus b upon, this will be 2 is equals to 1 upon 8. Oh sorry, minus 8. So m is minus 4 upon minus 8. B is equals to minus 2 upon minus 8. So it will be 1 upon 2. It will be 1 upon 4. It means one man make half cup in one day. Okay. So 1 cup make in one day. Sorry, half cup make in one day. So 1 cup make in how many days? So it will be divide, it means 2 days. So we have to make this 70 cups. Okay, we are our total work is 70 cup. We have to make 70 cups. So 70 cup make in how many days? So 70 into 2 days. Okay, so it will be 7 2s are 14. It means 140 days. Now here 1/4 cup make in one day. So 1 cup make in 4 days. So how many cups we have to make? 70 cups. 70 cups make in 70 into 4, that is 280 days. Okay, this is very simple method.